Hello from the Barbican Centre in London. Once we are in the zoo portal, we go to the top left, all services, and we wait until the window appears where all services are listed of zoo. Here it is. So then we type Data Factory in the search. This way it will appear the Data Factory button. Here it is. We click on the star. In this way we will add it to our favorite services, what we see on the left side. It will go in the bottom, so we need to scroll down, and we can hover the mouse over the three dots on the right side. In this way we can drag and drop it to different place in the list, make it easier for us by putting it higher place. Here it is how the window of all data factories looks. We don't have any, so I'll click on creating one, the first data factory. And here is the form that we need to populate, the data factory name. We'll call it simply test. Okay. I'm using Azure for Student subscription, and I previously created a resource group, so I would choose it, resource A. And for this video, let's see version 1 of Data Factory. For location, it's not so important. We can choose the East US. You can see all the locations available. And create. We need to wait a few minutes until it is provisioned for us. We can monitor the progress of the creation in the bell icon on the top. It will show us all things that have been created previously. We can close them and it will appear. Here it is, the data factory. We can go straight to it. And this is how it looks, the home screen of the data factory. It has the main properties and statistics.